If you've clicked on this video, you've probably thought about starting dropshipping in 2026. Maybe you've seen people talk about AI stores or one product brand going absolutely viral overnight. And the truth is, dropshipping still works in 2026, but not the way that it used to. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your dropshipping business the right way, from setting up your store using AI to connecting your supplier to marketing your products organically and then scaling through paid ads. So for those of you who don't already know, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without having to hold any inventory. When a customer places an order on your store, your supplier ships it directly to your customer. You never have to touch or see the product yourself. It's really one of the simplest and lowest risk ways to start an online business. And yes, it's 100% still valid in 2026. Now, what changed is how you actually do it. See, back in the day, you had to manually find suppliers, manually build your store from scratch, and test products blindly. Now, AI handles most of the setup and does all the research for you. That means you can go from idea to live store in under an hour instead of weeks. Now, the biggest opportunities right now are in niches like home improvement, beauty and wellness, and pet products. Anything that solves a small emotional problem for people that would usually buy something on impulse. So now that you know exactly how the business model works, let's dive into how you can build your very own store in less than 10 minutes. Now, the first step is creating your store. You don't need to know website design or coding. AI can literally do everything for you. To do this, we're going to be using Build Your Store, a free AI store builder. And I'll leave the link down below in the description so you guys can also use this free AI store builder. It's truly insane. All right, so now we're on the free AI store builder. So to get started, we're just gonna want to click on this button right here, build my free store. Then we're just gonna want to enter our little bit of information and sign up for your account. Now we're able to pick a niche. So you can really choose any one of these niches. They all perform very, very well. But for this example, we're just gonna choose the pet niche. Then we get to select a couple banners for our homepage. So we're just gonna choose these two right here. So we're just gonna go and sign up for our account right here. Great, now we can just skip customized setup at the bottom right here. And now we've successfully created our Shopify account. Now we can head back to build your store and finish building our store. So now we're just gonna click done right here. Now we need to link our Shopify store to Build Your Store AI store builder. So to do so, we're just gonna head back to our Shopify store and copy, paste the URL into Build Your Store, and then click save right here. Then we're just gonna click done. Now it's just confirming that we've actually signed up for a Shopify plan, because in order for Build Your Store to actually work, you need to have selected a plan. So we're just gonna come over here and we're gonna subscribe to the $1 a month plan. Great, now that's fully completed. We can now head back to Build Your Store and click done right at the bottom here. And then we're gonna now need to install the Build Your Store AI onto our Shopify store. So literally with a click of a button, you can just install the app just like that and click install right there. Now next, you need to connect your supplier so your orders are fulfilled automatically. Now the easiest way to fulfill your products is by using a fulfillment app like AutoDS. Now they are really the #1 supplier in the space right now and offer some of the best prices for fulfillment in the entire industry. Now, once your customer places an order, the app will automatically purchases it from the supplier and ships it directly to the customer and uploads all the tracking info back into your store. That means you never have to handle any inventory, message suppliers manually, or worry about shipping delays. It's literally all done for you. They also have a massive suite of other tools that you get access to by signing up with them. Now, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can sign up for a 30-day trial for just $1. So now we're just gonna register to AutoDS right here. So we're just gonna enter our email address. Great, and then we're just gonna join now. Now you can select your selling channel. So we're gonna choose Shopify right here. And then you could literally choose any of these plans for only 99 cents. So right now, when we're just getting started, we're just gonna select this plan right here. Check out for this. Great, so now once we finish signing up for AutoDS, we can now go through their funnel and really connect your supplier to your brand new Shopify store that you just created. So here we're just gonna select this. I have Shopify store connected to AutoDS, click continue, and then just click the install app button right here. So now this is just gonna connect AutoDS directly to your brand new Shopify store that you had just created here. So boom, Just like that, AutoDS is now connected to our store. So now we can just click finish right here. And as you can see, they offer a whole suite of different winning products on their site. And also they have different sort of ad spy tools and product research tools that you guys can also take advantage of. So here you can see handpicked products. These are a massive suite of winning products right here. They have ad spy tools and trending products right here. But you can also head to the marketplace and you can find any sort of product that you guys might want to sell. So for example, if you want to sell a moon lamp, you could just search moon lamp up right here and it will connect you for each variation of the product. And you can see there's literally one right here for only $15 to source this moon lamp for, and the shipping time is 1 business day. So you can really offer a great customer service to your customers who buy from you on your Shopify store. And this is really one of the biggest downfalls of many dropshipping stores is they have poor fulfillment. So they aren't providing good service to their customers. In turn, they'll start to charge back, you'll be getting bad reviews on your store, and your customers will be left unhappy. But using a reliable supplier such as AutoDS right here will allow you guys to really build a good rapport with your customers, build a large loyal customer base because they're getting, great shipping times just like this, along with great prices. Now you also have your dashboard right here that you can go and see all of your orders that you have received on your store. And then you also have your order section right here where all your individual orders will pop up. Now for whatever reason, AutoDS doesn't have the product that you're looking for, you can always add a sourcing request and they will go and negotiate with different suppliers on your behalf to find you the best price and fastest shipping times. So it's really a no-brainer installing AutoDS onto your store. So now if we head back to the store builder and boom, our store is now open to the public and we can start receiving orders with our supplier already connected. So that essentially means if somebody were to come onto our website right now, order the product, it would automatically be in your AutoDS orders right here. And then you could set up automatic order fulfillment to then ship that product directly to the customer. So now we can check out exactly what our store looks like. As you can see, we have a nice professional design right here with an awesome high converting layout and theme. And we have our product catalog of a bunch of different winning products, of different trending products in the industry right now. Now see, we have a bunch of different products that we can choose and start marketing on our store. Now also in the store builder, they have a bunch of different other offers that you can get access to for 100% free, such as create viral videos, UGC videos in minutes, secure your free domain, but we're not gonna go over all this in this YouTube video because I wanna keep this short and snappy and also focus on some of the marketing side of things. Now, let's talk about probably the most important part of your business, which is marketing. So when you're just starting, organic marketing is probably the best way to get traffic without potentially burning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on ads to find a winning marketing angle. And the easiest platform to do this in 2026 is still short form video. So we're talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now with organic marketing, your goal should be to post 2 to 3 videos a day showcasing your product in action. Now to create content with your product, you can do it in one of 2 ways. Option 1 is to order the product yourself and film custom content of your product. Option 2 is to scrape TikTok for content, re-edit the videos, and post them yourself. Now, when testing products, I recommend that you re-edit content first, as this will save you a ton of time. Then, once you've proven that the product works, invest some more time in creating custom content yourself around your product. Now, TikTok has tons of content on their platform, and it's super easy to get your hands on a ton of different content. But make sure to download the videos using a free software called Snaptic, as this will remove the watermark from all the videos and allow you to just re-edit them up yourself. Now, when it comes to creating high converting videos, your marketing angle is everything. With a bad marketing angle, nobody will buy your product. A good one, and your product will fly off the shelves. It's super important here to think outside the box. Now, I'll give you a real example of this. I sold a golf training mat, and in the beginning, my content and ads were centered around golfers trying to improve their swing. Now, long story short, the product absolutely flopped, but then I thought of the idea. what if I targeted a completely different market? So I switched my marketing angle completely and marketed the same golf training mat, but to females looking for the perfect gift for their golf-obsessed boyfriend, husband, or son. Now this change in marketing angle made it go from unprofitable store to $25,000 a day at a 40% profit margin. So I really can't stress this enough on how you really need to think outside the box and test different marketing angles. Now, another thing in your videos, you always want to show how your product solves some sort of problem. For example, you could say, I didn't think this would work, but this gadget actually saved me so much time. Or another example, if you have a dog that makes a mess every time they drink water, you need this. Keep it relatable, keep it short, and then make sure to include a call to action at the end of the video, like get it here, link in bio, or something along the sort. Now, some of your videos will flop, others will take off. That's normal. Your goal is to find one that gets a strong amount of watch time and engagement. Now, once you find that winning video, that's when you move on to the next stage, which is paid ads. So once you have a video that is performing well organically, getting a good amount of comments, saves, and views, take that exact same video and turn it into a paid ad. On TikTok Ads Manager or Meta Ads, set up a simple conversion campaign. Use your best performing videos as the creative. Now you can start with a small budget, maybe $50 to $100 a day, and target broad audiences in the countries that you ship to. Now the goal is to get consistent traffic to your store using already what works organically. Now once you find an ad that gets good results, slowly start increasing the budget as you go and test new creatives based off of that winning format of your original one. And remember, the best ads don't feel like ads. They look like natural videos that somebody would see on their feed just promoting some sort of product. Now, if you want a more in-depth guide on exactly how to set up your ads and run a campaign, I have a bunch more videos already posted on my channel that you could refer to. So that is exactly how to start dropshipping in 2026. And with competition rising, it has never been more important to have a high converting store, pick the right products to sell, and have creative marketing angles. But with that being said, now might very well be the best time to get started with AI doing 80% of the work for you, building your entire website in less than 5 minutes and preloading trending products onto your store. So if you want a free AI built store, I left the link down below in the description to the exact tool that I used in this video. Literally sit down for the next 5 minutes and start. It's genuinely never been easier to start your very own online business. Now, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.